Welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we're going a rocket. So we need to do this to make a fuel. Take it, go here. There you go, and add. Click the add. So do this multiple times to full fuel it. Okay, one more. So do here. Perfect. Okay. Do that. So it will now open the bracket. Now we're on Mars. Complete this puzzle. Don't get charged by this. So don't get charged, or you might die. Ooh, this was close. Ratata. Woohoo! Yahoo! So we did it. And the last stage is this. Oh, you can just cheat in here. And there you go. You get this. Okay, teleport to. And there you have it. You have it now. Like and subscribe, guys.